Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove people from images in Photoshop. So first, go to unsplash.com to download free high quality images. So I'm going to download this image now. Done. Now open the image in Photoshop. Here you go. So first you need to select the object selection tool from the left part and then select the mode to rectangle, and now you need to make a selection around the subject you want to remove. I'm selecting this lady here. Then go to select, then go to modify and then click on expand the selection by 30 pixels and hit the OK button. Now you can see that the photo is expanded here, and then go to edit and go to content aware fill. So you can see that the lady is completely gone from the image. It looks like there was no one before. So now let me show you another image. This image has also been downloaded from Unsplash. So with the object selection tool, you can also select on the dog here or on the lady here. As you can see that Photoshop does quite a good job in choosing images. So now we'll select the dog here. Done. Go to select, go to modify, go to expand 30 pixels. OK. Go to edit and then go to content aware fill and then select OK. And as you can see, the dog is completely invisible. So this is the magic of Photoshop. You can use this feature to remove unwanted people or objects from your image. And don't forget to hit the like button, comment and share the video if this helped, and also check the description because we have links to some of the best AI tools available. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.